Hello, Jim Techbuzz, and people have been asking about this box that we got from Edifier there over the Christmas period or whatever it was. And as you can see, it's a nicely presented package like so, and people want to know what was in it, people being people. So here it says Edifier specialises in premium audio solutions that showcase technological innovation and design elegance. And as people know, I'm a huge Edifier fan. Test all our products and never have any complaints about them. No bias, I just tell you as I see it, and just Edifier has been very consistent and have their sound signature. So let's have a look and see what happens. So you open up the box like so, and first up you will see is a notepad here. So I'm just going to, it's not going to stay up on its own. So you get this notepad here. Dedicated research in acoustic for 25 years. And the Edifier branding on the back and on the front. And it's just a plain notepad like so. It's pretty nice. And then you get this piece that pulls off the top here. But you get it, first of all, you will check out this. Get a nice silver aluminium pen with Edifier wrote on the side there. Pretty nice and neat, and a passion for sound is wrote on it. So really nice. And next up we will go inside, is where the majority of the goodies are. So first up is you get a little wallet. So that's it there with the Edifier branding, and you have an eyelet there, and that's pretty much it. Really nice leather wallet with the branding. And then you also get a key tag, same thing again, passion for sound. You get these paper holders here, so you get two. You have one in silver and one in black, same branding again. You also get this little key, this little chain here, and you get two boxes with nothing in them. So these are just empty boxes, so that's it. And finally you get a tankard kind of style cup here, which is nice with the same branding, really good quality, and presume that's stainless steel. It's really nice. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing else underneath there. It's a pretty deep box, but that's it. And that's all you get in the package, and that's what was in it. So that's just a quick look at what the mystery box was. It was a mystery to me, so people were asking questions when I posted it up on social media, so there you have it there. That's what came inside. So I hope that rests all your suspicions now and kills the suspense. And then you just close it up, finish it off, and back to where we are. So that's it, thanks for watching, see you next one, and a big thanks to Edifier again for sending this over. And check out for loads of their reviews coming soon. We've actually got some of their earbuds in at the minute, and we're going to be having a full review of them shortly. Stay tuned to techbuzzireland.com for lots more on Edifier and other tech products. And we'll see you in the next one.